Bacteria, germs, and odors are all over your home, and they won't leave you alone. What you need is the Bionic Sanitizer by Bell & Howell, the revolutionary electrolyzed water generator that turns your tap water into a supercharged sanitizing system. Just add table salt and fill with tap water. Press the button to charge the solution and watch as the Bionic Sanitizer generates an electrolyzed water solution proven to sanitize, deodorize, and kill bacteria, germs, and other pathogens on contact. Just fill, charge, and spray to disinfect countertops, stovetops, microwaves, knobs, and handles, even sanitize luggage after a trip. The secret is the revolutionary Bionic Generator Disc that supercharges water and salt, turning it into a super safe, super effective sodium hypochlorite that kills up to 99.9% of viruses, germs, and bacteria. Plus, the scent is fresh and fragrance-free. It's safe for sanitizing stainless steel, stone, leather, vinyl, and more. And check this out. Things you can't put in the machine, Bionic will sanitize and clean. Just fill, charge, and spray to kill germs and bacteria in your bathrooms, bedrooms, playrooms, and it's 100% safe for pet areas. The Bionic Sanitizer by Bell & Howell.